Okay, so then give damage to foe. Wow, so we're almost done with the attack feature. So I was able to check if the attack hits, and then if the foe notices the attack, and if foe can dodge, if foe can parry, and then everything fails, give damage to foe. What's the damage? It depends on the lethality. And if it's a sword, the lethality is based on your strengths. Let's get the equipment, or actually actors. So lethality, sword, damage. I'm just okay. So lethality is lethality award. It's lethality award. Award. Lethality.
Lethality.
Yes. Lethality is 1/1. Okay, so if it's a thrusting attack, it's strength -2. Swinging attack, it's 1d, so that's 3.5. So the lethality is based on the weapons. So I think what I'm going to do is just make it sword is 10, lethality spear is just 10, and the damage is equipment lethality plus, oh no, that's like 10 average, right? Minus 10 math max 0 or negative, so minimum 0 plus, well, you know what though, it's actually, if the lethality is 9, then that's less lethal, so I'm just going to leave it like negative 10 plus, if its strength is 10, 1 dice, so 3.5 minus 2. Okay, so it's 3.5 times, and if the strength is 11, it will add 1, right? So attacker, actor, strength minus 10. So that's the damage. According to this. Okay. Attack, sword, this guy, hit, damage, not a number. Yes. Lethality is not set. The damage is set. Because I didn't save it. Okay. Attack, sword, hit, damage 6.5. Why is that? Because attacker's strength is 13 and equipment lethality is 10. 10, 0, 3.5 plus 3 is 6.3. Oh yes, so this is good. So damage 6.5 done. Yes, so I was able to, so if it's this, it's a miss. Okay, now the next thing is I would add that to characters. Well, I mean 6.5 damage should do something, but I'm just going to make a little bit more interesting because this 6.5 damage is not really true. Actually, if you're attacking with the sword, anything that goes through your armor should be counted like 1.5 times more severe than the actual number here. So it just depends on if you're attacking him with like a baton or a sword or a spear, because something with a blade would add more damage to the flesh, human flesh. So I'm like, moving on to the detail of it, but it's really cool that I'm able to do that. Okay, so the weapon, you know what though? Okay, well, let's move on. So if I can do the damage, then let's record the damage to the character. So give damage to fall. Let damage is this, and fall after. Oh, okay, so fall give damage of damage, then return damage maybe. Okay, so fall give damage, so unit give damage void this actual damage. Unbelievable. Health, and I'm going to add damage damage 0. Yeah. Okay, now let's attack with sword this guy. Damage 0.5. Okay, so if it goes through,